Okay. See ya. Jump. See ya. Jump.
Whoa!
See ya. Jump. Back up.
There you go.
See ya. Back up.
Oh!
Ready? Back up. Good, Curly.
I would either just finish this with the blind, or make sure when she's coming around, you're going, hey, stay tight. Just make a little connection there with your hand or something.
Okay.
But she just kind of followed you out in outer space. I think you weren't working.